Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Idahosa don't promise the management and staff of Edo State Polytechnic Usen say the government go make sure say dem solve the wahala wey the school they face. Say the governor Senator Monday Okpegolo get strong interest for better education for the people as part of a 5-point agenda for in government. Oga Deputy Governor gave this assurance when he received the management staff of the Polytechnic for one courtesy visit for in office on Thursday 5th December 2024. Honorable Idahosa Costi talk say as soon as the state cabinet done ready, he go visit the Polytechnic with the Commissioner for Education. He co urge the management of the Polytechnic say make them they do their best to make sure say they provide better education for the students.
I want to thank you for taking out time to visit your brother. I've heard from you some of your requests, and I will pass the information to my principal, the governor, and when the cabinets are constituted, the Commissioner for Education and I will come and visit the institution. So for the sake of time, I welcome you once again to this government house, and it's the house of the people, and you have elected us to do your job. I want to assure you today on behalf of my principal that every single thing that you said, we'll look into it and we'll take the swift action.
Earlier, the rector of the Polytechnic, Engineer Sylvester Omoruyi, talk say they come visit the deputy governor to congratulate him for an election win as the number 2 citizen for the state, and also to tell him the things where the school don't achieve and the challenges them get. He talk say them ready to work with the deputy governor to make sure say the Polytechnic and the constituency see the change they need.
We are indeed very, very much grateful having your personality as our deputy governor and also from our constituency. We all know your person even before you venture into the political space. And we all know you are not here just for the fame or reward, because even before you step into the political space, we already have something in intervention in humanity and trying to alleviate the suffering and plight of the people. And we felt it is wise for us to come and meet you as the management, as our father, and also as our deputy governor, to also intimate you of our readiness to work with you to see that those two Polytechnic and by extension your constituency receive the desired transformation within your period of administration. Quickly, because of time, upon our assumption of office last year, 2023, we have taken a lot of steps to reposition the Polytechnic both nationally and globally. Upon assumption, so many programs we can, and within this short period, we have accredited 90 programs, and we have also been able to set up the open distance flexible learning as accredited entity for us to make our institution to be globally competitive, so that people outside the shore of the school will also apply online and attend the institution. We have also been able to secure international collaboration with 2 institutions in China, Chelsea Polytechnic in China, and Fuzhou Polytechnic. And as we speak today, 5 of our students and Fuzhou Polytechnic on full scholarship because of the collaboration we have with them. We also have a collaboration with the Usen company, Rubber Estate, Nigeria Public Company, in order to see that Edo State Polytechnic is being positioned and is able to compete globally with other institutions. But however, the institutions have also suffered some major setback.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.